Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock, Ladies of Locksmithing. So, this is a family business.
Oh no, sorry, this isn't Ladies Locksmithing. It's National Locksmith Day.
Oh.
Yeah, so I entered it for that as well.
Who gave it?
This is from AssA Abloy.
Okay.
And I entered our Dr. Lock into the competition for
We
it.
got a Coles voucher.
Yeah.
I love it how they give us all these plates.
That's right, because, and guess what? They also give us $60 Coles voucher to buy snags with.
Awesome. Okay. You know what, for AssA Abloy, this is the only time they've ever given us something. Most of the time we can't even purchase off them direct.
How cool is that? Yes.
Is that your cooking apron?
No, it's a tea towel.
Our tea towel, we've got some
There
cups.
is your apron though.
That's an apron.
That's
Yep.
it. Look at that.
We've got a
Cooler bag.
AssA Abloy apron. Let's just have a look at that. Ooh, National Locksmiths. You know, it's really cool they do give away these things.
Oh, it's a...
Tomato sauce.
look at that. With...
That's some Aussie sauce right there. And what's that?
I think it's a stool.
Is that a stool?
I think it's like one of those.
There, can you see what you can make of that?
I think that is.
What's the Andrew's here?
It's like a zip.
They must think that locksmiths enjoy their barbecues and picnics.
Well, it's Locksmithing Day. It's a celebration.
No, but locksmiths don't have time for picnics.
Look at that. How cool is that? Seriously.
Yeah.
I love the tea towels. Huck yeah.
Thanks, AssA Abloy. This is the second time. You gave us one a couple of years back, but now you're giving us this. And
It's because I enter it in.
this was from Mercedes. That's her name, Mercedes. She's just lucky her parents didn't call her LDV.
Or Porsche. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
Porsche's okay.
Oh, hey, what's her name? Chappelle.
But Mercedes is a nice classy name.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
And that's nice of her to give us this. Did you work the seat out? Where's the seat gone? That's an official AssA Abloy. Well, thank you to AssA Abloy for the
I entered Dr. Lock for
National Locksmithing Day. Leave your comments. Thanks for watching.